C sharp. Hello. Good morning, student. Yes. Good morning.
Yes,
सुनाई दे
sir.
रहा है? Good
Yes, sir.
morning.
Yes.
गुड मॉर्निंग सर।
Sir,
Good
Yeah,
sir.
morning,
welcome
sir.
back. तो आप लोग को मुझे क्या बताना है? C sharp का just revise करना है because we have to listen about advanced web programming and it is related to .NET and we have to learn about the .NET. लेकिन but some of the basic knowledge if you don't have related C sharp, so we cannot go ahead. That's why we are giving the just basic knowledge of C sharp first, and then after that ASP.NET. That is your practical handbook. It started directly from ASP.NET. So today we have to do the first practical of the ASP.NET and learn about the C sharp also. Is it clear? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So please listen
Yes, sir.
carefully. Don't go here and there, hide the video. And if you have the doubt, so you can just raise your hand and clear your doubt one by one. Because hello, you start to prepare uh, from this same because you have to decide one of the project related title and send me. I approve you. If it is a duplicate title, I say you to do the next one. If you want my help, then also I give you. I alert you ki which are the guides related 6M projects. You have a 200 marks project in the 6M, but you start preparing from this one because you have the one subject that in this same, that is a software project related. We have the subject that will lead by Hina ma'am. So you have to relate it. You have to book make the book in the that is a black book. And in this same you have to create only spiral binding, but next same you have to create. So that is a preparation you have to do it. So you have to learn this topic .NET and Java very well practically. Okay, so that's why you, if you learn practically very well and you practice at home, so you can develop your web page and website easily by these two program. Is it clear? Yes, student.
Yes, sir.
Okay, many students are admitting now. So all students, I request, please admit before 9, before 10 minutes. Okay, 8:50. 8:50 you can start to admit yourself. So if you join here, so we can get the list of that join. So I just make it print screen and send to Sheikh sir. Okay, is it clear?
Okay.
Okay,
Yes.
that is very required thing. Be punctual. It is not your college lecture. You can come after 15 minutes, 10 minutes, and I just revise you individually. No. Okay, please be sure that if you are learning basic parts clear, so you can go for advance. Is it clear? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please. Now I am starting your lectures. Listen carefully. I'm just first of all again sharing, revise your C sharp, sharing the screen. What is C sharp language and what is required. So first, okay. Again, we are remembering our founder, Dr. Vinod Madhukar Gaikwad sir, and start our lectures. Okay, welcome to Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar College. Vasai West, Tybscit-V 5th Sem. Your subject is Advanced Web Programming. We start our Unit 1 Introduction to .NET, presented by Assistant Professor 3-Bipin Vaity. Last time, just I revise you. Last time we have learned about the all basic .NET framework related work, right? Now here we are just listen about the C sharp language. I revise you. C sharp language basically we know that basic things over there. Creating hello world program, we have to know that how you declare the program. It consists of following parts. See, we require the namespace, class method, some of the class attribute if you required, main method, statement expressions inside the main method, or other class we can join inside the main, then comment. Okay, these are the main language basics we require in the C sharp. We have to already we know about the hello world program. I show you in the sharing screen. See now basic syntax of the program. Okay, this is the basic syntax. Listen again. See, now using system is given over here. That is your header files we are declaring. Which are the objects we are using downside? It is a system object. Then namespace, that is your file name. We declare in the ASP.NET rectangle applications. Okay, that is project, just like your project work. After that, inside the project, we can create many class, but we have to create that just like here, they are creating the rectangle class and declare the member variables. Listen carefully, because we have to do the some project practical related work in the C#. How to declare the variable? See that now, variable, member variable, double length, double width and length is a variable name. Then after that, we are just using the one method inside the one class, except details. That means we are assigning the value. Length is equal to 4.5, width is equal to 3.5, and that except details is variable including your one class, that is rectangle. Then second method, get area, where we are returning the length into width. So we are using the double C functions. Get area is there, and we are declaring the data type double. That's why we are returning the value, return length into width. After that, we are declaring the public void display. This is another method, third method. Except detail is one method. Then after that, get area. After that, display. In display part, we are displaying the assigning value and also calculated value. So here we are declaring the length, but length, how we are declaring? We are using here literals. That is a just like we are using in the C, %D, %C. Here we are using that in a curly bracket 0. That is value we are showing of the length. Again, where value we are showing of the width. We are assigning their value. See, length and width. That will show here. Console dot write line. This is the write line is the method who display the value, who display the statement. And here length variable assign the value and it shows in the literal. After that, console.see that now area we are showing with the get area. We are calling directly method here, get area. That is a method. It should return the value. What is the value? Length into width, and it will show here. So what is the calculation of the length into width? It will show here. Is it clear? Okay. Yes, student. So this is in the one class.
Yes,
See
sir.
there. This is in the one class. One class build all the methods together. Member together. Class is a what? Class is a way to binding the data and method members together. Is it clear? Next. उसके बाद after that class execute rectangle we are getting. This is your file name. Execute rectangle.cs. Hello.
आ रहा है सर, आ रहा है,
आ रहा है ना?
यस सर,
Hello,
आ रहा है,
students.
आ रहा है,
आ रहा है,
आ रहा है सर।
आ रहा है सर।
आ रहा है ना? Okay, okay.
आ रहा है।
Yeah. So class executable return.
Rectangle.
Wait. Class execute rectangle, that is static void main string arguments. Class execute, hello. Class
Yes, sir.
execute rectangle, that is your what? Main class, because we are declared inside their main method. So your main class is a
Yes,
what?
sir.
Execute rectangle. Here we
Rectangle.
have the object. See that now in the main method. Always
Yes, sir.
the Java static void main string argument. This is your main method. We are calling other object. We are creating rectangle object. That is your class name. That is your class name. Sorry.
Awesome.
Wait. See that now? Class name, your rectangle is your class name. We are declaring here object. The rectangle R. R is equal to new rectangle. We are creating
New
the
rectangle.
R is your object of the
Object बना है।
rectangle. Then we are here using R
हाँ, sir.
dot accept.
Call किया है।
We are calling method. We are calling method.
Method.
R dot accept detail. Again we are calling R dot display.
Display.
But
Display.
here inside the display we are calling get area also.
Get
In the
area.
Get
display,
area.
it will execute get area method also. Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yeah. And
Yes,
after
sir.
that, you
Yes,
know
sir.
that we have to hold a screen and we have to read that line, input line. So that's why console dot read line.
Read line.
Just like your get ch. Just like your get ch. So
Get
this is
ch.
whole program. Now you understood about that? Okay,
Yes,
clear
sir.
about
Yes,
that?
sir.
Then we are closing their curly bracket, and then after that, this curly bracket we are using here in the class files. Okay. So this is the code. I show you the practical also again how we have to do it. I just stop the sharing and go again. Share the screen. I start the Visual Studio 2010. Okay. One by one. We have the lot of time. We have the 1 hour 30 minutes lectures, but your basics should be clear. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Oh yeah. So now see that here in the Solution Explorer, we don't have any projects. So we have to go on File, New. Hello.
Project.
You have to create File, New, Project.
Project.
Yes. It give you one of the screen to create project. There are many other language are there. We can see Visual Basic, C Sharp, C++, F Sharp. We have to use Visual,
Yes, sir.
C Sharp,
C
sir.
plus.
present.
C
Okay.
sharp.
Here we can get the many application. Actually, in this fifth sem, we don't have the console application. We have directly ASP.NET web
ASP.NET.
.NET Windows
Okay.
Form applications. But at present, we have to learn basic language that's less like DOS. So we have to use console application. Is it clear? We have to clear first
Yes,
basic
sir.
knowledge, and after that we do the .NET. Clear?
Name.
Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
it is not in your book. Okay, it is not in your book. So file, new project, Visual C Sharp. You click on console application. You give the one of the name over here. Suppose
Name.
I just use the rect. Okay. Then yeah, otherwise whatever. See that rect, and then click on browse. After that, you can save it somewhere. Okay, you create your own folder and you can save it. Okay, now
Yes.
present I am giving the practical over here, so I create that Bipin pract. Okay, just like that I use it Bipin
Yes,
pract,
Yes, sir.
and inside that we are double click, select the folder. We can see the folder name or location over here, and then we can give the solution
Yes, sir.
rectangle rect. Click on OK.
Okay.
Then we can see in the Solution Explorer.
Very
We can see there Solution Explorer. Rect is your
Solution
namespace,
Explorer.
and
Yes, sir.
after that program.cs is a by default file name that is in the main method. By default, you can change.
Okay.
If you want to change the program name, that is your file name. So you can go on program and their properties. You have to see that properties, and you have to select the file name. See that now file name is a program.cs right side. Yeah. So you can
Sir,
use their whatever name, rectangle, execute rectangle, okay, whatever name you can give it over here. Okay. And when you press
Yes,
enter,
sir.
you can see the this
Yes,
name change, and directly reference name is also, it will come rectangle.
change.
Okay. Class name is also
Yes, sir.
change. Got it?
Change.
Clear about that?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Now, okay. Now you got it. Suppose now
Yes, sir.
I want to change again, like your it. Okay, wait. I'm showing the another screen. Stop. Okay, wait. No, it will not. Stop sharing. Again, I am showing you a program. See that now I just copy that program
Okay.
because I don't have time. I already explained that program. Yes or no? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And now actual I have to paste. Okay, wait. I have to change that name because name is already there. Notepad rectangle is there. Okay. Okay. Now class rectangle we cannot create over here. We have to use what's the name? Rect. Namespace is there. Another name we can give it to a rect1. Okay. And then downsides we have to use rectangle. Okay, main method we have the
Okay.
rectangle, right? Clear? Now
Yes, sir.
save it,
Yes.
and in the namespace, let me check that already. Okay, fine. Copy, and now I paste it over here. Fine. Okay.
Yes.
Now you can see there. Now our namespace is changed. Rect. Then here rect1 is a one class. We create one of the class over here. We declare the member variable. We declare the member variable length and width. And here we declare the methods, accept details method,
Can't
get
see
area
the
method,
screen.
display
PPT
method.
नहीं दिख रहा है सर
Okay.
Sir,
And after that, yes, we
PPT
can't.
नहीं दिख रहा है सर
सर हमको
नहीं दिख रहा है. Okay, I
Screen
just
हाँ,
wait.
share screen.
आपको नहीं दिखाई दे
sir.
रहा है? Okay, I just share the screen
No, sir.
again.
हाँ सर अभी दिख गया
Wait. I have to just share again. Share. Yeah. Now, got it? Yes, student. दिखाई दे रहा है?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, very good.
Yes,
Now,
sir.
see that namespace rect. We change another name. That's why namespace is rect now. We create the rect1 class. Inside there, we declare the member variables. We are declaring the methods,
Yes, sir.
assigning the value, calculating the get area length into width, and display length, width, and get area. That is length into width. And then we close the class here. And then we start the class rectangle. That is a
Rectangle.
what new class, and here
New
we have
class.
to create the change the name. We already changed the name, na? Here
Rectangle.
we have to use the rect1, and that is a R is a object, and here is also we have to create rect1. Got it?
One.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
How
Yes,
can
sir.
change? आपको नाम चेंज हो गया तो आप गड़बड़ करोगे, लेकिन you have to see that, इसीलिए basic knowledge होना जरूरी है. See that now I change already class name, and we create the object. Then we are calling the method r.accept details, r.display, and then console dot read line. Clear about that?
Read line.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Run the program. See that now above side F5 is running. Start debugging and run the program. Start debugging. Build the program. It create the solution file, exe file, and then execute. Got it? See that now here
Yes, sir.
executable file is there. rect.exe. Okay. Length. It show the length, width, and area. Got it? Yes, student.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, this
Yes, sir.
way you can do practicing of just like we have already done the in the C++, Java, all programs you can do it with the console applications. Clear? Clear? Yes,
Yes,
student. Yeah. One more program.
Yes, sir.
Clear about that. That is your multiplications. अगर मुझे अभी multiplication product का program .NET से दिखाना है, तो before that I have to show with the what C#.
Yes, sir.
So before that, I want to clear about the variable, your data type, decisions making statement, for loop statement, all classes
Yes, sir.
statement, and then we have
Yes.
to do the program. It is necessary part in the program. Okay, fine. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So I'm just sharing you another screen. Here, see that now again tutorial is there. I want to show the first upon what is the data types. Data type. See that now in C#. What are the data types? See the, what are the categories of the data type? Value type is there. Reference type is there. Pointer type is there. First upon we have to. Yes, student.
हाँ, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. What is int for? int for? Yes, student.
Integer.
Yes, right. Bolo. Integer. int for?
Integer.
Yes, sir. Integer.
What?
Integer.
Integer. And then char. Char for?
Character.
Character.
Float.
Character.
Float.
What? That is for
Decimal number.
decimal point.
Floating.
That is basic. We have
Point.
done in C, C++, Java. Same thing it is here. See that all data type is given. Bool. And you have to see that all bits represent over there. Boolean value. It always show you true and false value.
And false.
True and
Next,
false.
byte.
Yes, sir.
If you want to use the bits and bytes, zeros and ones if you want to store. So we have to use the byte. Then character 16.
सर आवाज आ रही है बहुत.
हेलो,
आवाज आ रहा है सब लोग
किसी
को बोलो
दूसरे का
सर.
आवाज
सर
आ
आवाज
रहा
आ
है,
रही है पीछे से.
किसी दूसरे का आ रहा है.
हाँ
And
सर.
stop. Okay, उनको बोलो if they are disturbing, so please. Okay. Now character 16-bit Unicode character. We have the character data type, right? And it is Unicode. Before that, we have learned 8-bit in the C++. C. But here now 16-bit. That means what? That means what? We are getting the upgrade 16-bit Unicode. We can use here Marathi, Hindi, Gujarati. That is also language that is in 16-bit Unicode character. Got it? Clear about that?
Yes
Hello,
sir.
student. Yeah.
Yes sir.
Next, decimal point. We can see the decimal point increase 128 byte. We can use the decimal. We can use decimal data type and create your variable just like your fees or salary or payment. They are decimal. Double is also same thing, but it is 64 bit. Float is also same thing, decimal point, but 32 bit. These are all the 32, 64, and 122 bit. It is related to floating value. Got it? Floating point.
Yes sir.
Next, INT 32 bit. Yes, or before that we have to use that 16, but now it is INT 32 bit signed integer type. Long, see that long now, 64 bit long.
64 bit.
Okay. Then next one, if you want to
Yes, sir.
increase your value, so we can use the long, that means long INT, integer. It cannot include the decimal point. Okay. If you want to decimal, you have to use the float, double, or decimal. Next, S byte, that is your signed integer type. What is the signed integer? Negative and positive. Negative also,
Positive.
here also, but they are specially given the byte related S byte, negative also and positive also. Then
Positive
short
also.
INT, short INT, it is always 16 bit. UINT,
16 byte.
unsigned INT, only unsigned, only positive numbers. U long, only positive long. U short, only positive short integers. Got it? Clear about all data type?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
sir.
Yeah, very good.
Yes
If
sir.
you want to find any size of the your data type, so it is one of the method is there, size of. The method size of. You can just like
I know.
dot right line, size of integer, size of float, size of u short. So we can find out here what is the size of your integer value. Got it? Clear?
Yes.
Yes sir.
Okay. Next,
Yes sir.
reference type. What are reference type? Always we are declare the variable name first and then we are assigning the value. That is called what? Reference, object, dynamic, and string. So we are here. See that now we are declaring the object obj. Here obj is equal to 100. Obj is equal to 100. So they are giving 100. What they are, 100 is assigning the value. It is the one object. So it is the ultimate base class for all data type. It's the one common type system. एक सबके लिए एक object की value बन गई. जैसे pi value we are declaring, that is a 3.14 by default. Got it? Okay. Clear about that? Yes, student. Hello.
Yes.
Yes sir.
Okay. Next.
sir.
Now dynamic types also there. You can store any type of value. Dynamic type, that means type checking of this type of variable type place at a run time. When you are running the program, जब आप run execute करते हो. Hello. Okay. Object type variable take place at compile time. Okay, compile करते हुए. Compile मतलब क्या होता है? When you are compiling F9 जैसे करते हो वैसे compiling, debugging, यहाँ पे debugging होता है. That time it will work. But यहाँ पे run time मतलब when you execute, जब आपका program output shown करेगा तभी it will declare assign. Otherwise it will not assign. That is called dynamic type. Okay? Dynamic. Got it? How they declare? Dynamic
Yes, sir.
is equal to dynamic. Same like that. Next one is string type. We declare the string. String S is capital. A string. We are declare the variable str. Then tutorial point. So it is what string type. It allow you to assign the string value to a variable. Another type is there, pointer. You know the pointer. What is the use of pointer? Pointer hold a memory address of another type, another variable.
Right.
Same thing, pointer type, we are declaring character star CPTR. So it holds the value. CPTR whatever assigns the value, it hold another variable. अगर हम लोग ने इसके अंदर दूसरा variable भी CPTR is equal to A ने क्या assign किया है तो वो value इधर store हो जाएगा. This got it? Okay, that is called pointer. Pointer give the address to that variable. Just like the integer also int star, then IPTR So we can use here pointer type in the C# also. Got it? Clear about that?
Yes, sir.
Okay, but here somewhat we require the conversion also, because there are some integers value we are declared and we have to convert into float, yeah, convert into string. We are accepting the value from the text box, right? Last time we are accepting the value from the text box. So text box value we have to convert into integer. Yes or no? Integer. If you want to do the
Yes, sir.
calculations, then we have to use the integer conversion. So that all conversion here they are showing. There are two types of conversion: implicit and explicit. What do you mean implicit? So these are conversion are performed by C# in a type-safe manner, because conversion from smaller to larger integer type automatically, smaller when integer to float, yeah, integer to long directly, automatically smaller to larger integer type, and conversion from derived class to base class easily they can do it. That is called implicit. Explicit means
वॉइस ब्रेक
हेलो
सर वॉइस ब्रेक हो रही है आपकी.
हेलो, आवाज आ रही है?
हेलो
हाँ सर.
हाँ सर, आ रहे
सर आ रहे बट
हेलो, यस,
Yes,
आ
sir.
रही
हेलो
है?
सर.
आ रही है?
क्लियर आ
सर
हाँ
Clear
सर,
आ
आ
रही है?
रहा है, आ
अब
रहा है।
आ रही है.
आ रही है. ओके, फाइन. सो आ रही है ना आवाज? हाँ बेटा.
हाँ सर.
Yes,
Okay, okay, fine.
Yes, sir, अभी आ रही है।
So now implicit type conversions is there in automatically, just like that हम लोग बोलते थे यहाँ पे. Now they are giving explicit example, but implicit means automatically conversions are there, integer to long, long to, conversions are there by default. जैसे हम लोग कोई value, float value we are calculating with the integer and automatically it convert into float. जैसे हम लोग calculation करते हैं एक pi value into rr, मतलब क्या होता है pi into rr, मतलब क्या, pi r square, that is calculating the area of circle. So pi value is a float
Circle.
value and r is a integer value. Then also we can get the answer of float value. इसका मतलब क्या हो रहा है, अपने आप क्या हो रहा है, implicit conversion. Okay, then we no need to convert there directly, but explicit we have to convert using the predefined function. तो यहाँ पे explicit conversion का एक example दिया है. See that now. Okay, static double D. Here they are declaring the value. Which value? 567374. That is double value. Double value, it is decimal point. And integer they are like I. से कि I को convert करना है डी, तो हम लोग क्या कर रहे हैं, डबल को convert किसमें करना है, किसमें करना है, कैसे करना है, इंटीजर में. सो I is equal to D. देखो int D, D मतलब क्या था, डबल, लेकिन उसको क्या कर रहे हैं हम लोग,
Double.
convert कर रहे हैं यार, कास्ट डबल
Integer
टू,
में.
क्लास डबल टू कास्टिंग, टाइप कास्टिंग, टास्क डबल टू इंटीजर. तो आई का वैल्यू क्या अभी बन गया, आई के अंदर इंटीजर, जो डी का वैल्यू था
Integer.
वो इंटीजर बनेगा और वो होगा 5673. गॉट इट. इसलिए आंसर में देखो नीचे क्या दिया, दे अवॉइड द डेसिमल, दे अवॉइड द
3.
डेसिमल.
Yes,
गॉट
sir.
इट. क्लियर, समझ में
Decimal.
आया?
Yes,
Yes.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
This way we have to do
Yes,
the
sir.
explicit conversion. Now we have to do the use the method, inbuilt methods are there, built-in type conversions are there, to boolean, to byte, to char, to date and type, okay, to decimal, to double, to int 16, to int 32, to int 64 as well.
264.
What is that? एक्चुअल में हम लोग को कन्वर्जन करने के लिए मेथड यूज करने पड़ेंगे और वी कैन कन्वर्ट एनी वैल्यू, किसी भी वैल्यू को हम लोग कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं, इंटीजर को डबल, डबल को इंटीजर टू बुलियन कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं. इसीलिए ये सारे मेथड्स उन्होंने दिए हुए. एक एग्जांपल, वन एग्जांपल, सी दैट नाउ एग्जांपल. हियर दे आर गिविंग int i 75 f 53.00 f. देखो यहाँ पे फ्लोट वैल्यू कैसे डिक्लेयर करते हैं. सी दैट नाउ.